Hi guys, Aneck, DragonHeart. Hi. How you guys doing? Today I'm gonna teach you guys some basic how to draw eyes. So there are always different type of animation eyes. Some animation eyes, they're kind of like that. Like you could draw a box. And then, but when you draw like a rectangle like that, yeah, and when you do the rectangle, let's say you do the rectangle, right? And you just draw the eyes, right? You darken this part to everyone, so this part of the rectangle will disappear, and then you use this to erase this part of the rectangle, and you can't mix it up. So erase this little line right here to disappear this part, so people know that's an eye and not a rectangle with an eye shape. For other eyes, you just do this, like a circle or a moon, you rather, and then instead of drawing like the moon or the circle, you just go this side and go this way, the one point to the other. A lot of people just do different eyes. What I do it like that, like a circle inside, but like a half circle. Just go right here. You won't see the big circle right here, nor the end circle right there. A lot of times what I do, I put the glow the animation has, the white glow, and then I put the circle right here and a complete circle over here. Not a complete, but a little bit. And then when you do animation, a lot of times you have to darken the inside of the eyes. So people will not think that's a zombie or something, or and then you darken this part, so it would look like eyelashes. A lot of times, some animation has such big, huge eyes, like this. Those are very cute, but a lot of times they're hard because drawing those big eyes, you have to be careful with it, because you don't know how to draw the face if the eyes are big. So you have to, if the eyes are big, everything else has to be small. Not too small, but small. It cannot be huge like the eye, or otherwise you're gonna have a mess of a drawing. It'll be a messed up face. It's darken this part when you do the huge eyes. And also, I love doing eyebrows, but this is not eyebrow. This is below, a little bit on, like in the middle between the eye and the eyebrows. Those are also a very important feature that the eyes have to have. And when you do eyebrows, a lot of times I do this. But sometimes for like men or something, if I want to make them realistic, I make the eyebrows like this, and the same way as this one, but I make it this a little bit like puffier, and then a little bit softly, yes, like that. Or you could darken it and you want. For this eye, a lot of times there's a lot of artists like to do eyebrows, not eyebrows, eyelashes like this. A lot of times they don't need some drawings like that or this. They just darken this to look like eyelashes. They don't use these lines for because I think it's kind of stupid if you use both, because you can make it look like a goth person. If you want that, you could do it, but some people just don't. You gotta pick one or the other. To me, I just pick one or the other, because I don't want to make the drawing overpowered. In drawing, you cannot overpower a painting or a drawing, because you're gonna have a bundle of mix. Because sometimes it's simple is good, and not having too much on the character, like overpowering a background. Then nobody's gonna focus on the character. They're mostly gonna focus on the background or scenery, whatever you want to call it. To me, I love doing backgrounds, but I always love to do a lot of details, not too much, but detail on the character, because I want them to focus on the character more than the scenery. Because the scenery, because if you make overpowering the scenery or backgrounds, it feels like you're swallowing. Scenery is swallowing. Scenery or background is swallowing the character. So nobody gonna see it. It's like the character is invisible, like a little mini-me. So my best feature that I always do on drawings, people love how I do the eyes, because they always say that the way I do the eyes make them more realistic. And to me, I don't mind. I don't mind helping, giving advice to people. For eyebrows, for women, the woman has to have, if you want to do animation, you have to have a thin line, smaller. For guys, has to be big, like fatter. And eventually you could see the difference between man and woman on the eyebrows. Because men have thicker, fatter, and fatter eyebrows, and a woman has kind of like thin ones. That's why I always ask people check the character eyebrows, because if animation, because I did a drawing animation. People say, "Oh my gosh, she's so cute." She's not. I made it look like a girl, but the eyebrows was not thin. It was a little bit fatter. I kind of did like a little trick to see what they were going, how can they react, and they always thought. A lot of times they thought he was a girl, and I did that on purpose. Yeah, and did you see that a lot of animation, a lot of characters that look like a girl, people fall in love with them, but they were not girls, they were boys. So eyes are basically the thing I always do a lot. I can't do the teeth, I cannot. So these are how I do the eyes. A lot of times people always ask me to do different characters. One girl asked me to do the Monster High Claudine wolf. I did it. I put it on Instagram. So but there are bigger eyes than this one. There's a lot bigger eyes, like bigger eyes. A lot of characters use like this. I seen somebody draw like that. It's kind of nice, but don't let the eye also overpowered the other feature of the face. You could draw this, but the other feature has to be small, like cute small. Not too much overpowering the face. Too much overpowering the face. So thank you all so much for watching my video. If you guys like it, hit like. Take care, have fun, stay awesome as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.